color is a crucial element in graphic design. It can convey emotion, enhance brand identity, and create visual interest. However, using color can be challenging, especially if you don't have a proper understanding of color theory. Here are some tips on how to use a color palette and color scheme in designing. Step 1. Understand color theory. Before you start using color, it's essential to understand color theory. Color theory is a set of principles that explains how colors interact with each other. It covers topics such as the color wheel, color harmony, color temperature, and color psychology. Understanding these concepts can help you make informed decisions when selecting colors for your design. Step 2. Choose your color palette. The color palette is a set of colors used in a design project. When choosing your color palette, consider the brand identity, target audience, and project goals. A color palette can consist of primary, secondary, and tertiary colors. You can also use shades, tints, and tones to create variations of colors within your palette. Step 3. Use color scheme. A color scheme is a set of colors that work together to create a cohesive and harmonious design. There are several color schemes you can use, such as monochromatic, complementary, analogous, and triadic. Each color scheme has its own unique look and feel, so choose the one that best fits your project. Step 4. Apply colors to your design. And once you have chosen your color palette and color scheme, it's time to apply them to your design. Use color to create visual hierarchy, add contrast, and evoke emotion. Be mindful of the color combinations you use and make sure they are accessible to all users. Use contrast to ensure readability and avoid using too many colors that can overwhelm the viewer. Step 5. Review and refine. After applying your colors to your design, step back and review your work. Make sure your color choices support your design goals and enhance the overall aesthetics. Refine your color choices if necessary, and make sure they are consistent throughout the design. In conclusion, using a color palette and color scheme in designing can help you create visually appealing and effective designs. By understanding color theory, choosing the right color palette and color scheme, and applying colors strategically, you can create designs that stand out and resonate with your audience.